Welcome viewer, this is Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to delete shortcut virus from USB pen drive. Type CMD on search bar. Right-click mouse button, select Run as administrator. Type attrib -h, -r, -s, /s/d. Find your pen drive letter. My pen drive letter is D. D:\star. Then explore your pen drive. You can delete unwanted files and shortcut virus. You can create one batch file for easy use of the commands. Command is given in description. You can simply copy the commands and paste notepad. D is indicate the pen drive letter. Save as the file to bat file. Right-click the mouse. Click Run as administrator. Then you can explore your pen drive, delete unwanted files and shortcut virus. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.